In this video, we'll explore the new settings in our product, specifically focusing on the mass notification settings. These settings are what admin uses to send notifications to clients, like users and drivers. First, we have the mass notification view. When admin wants to send any kind of notifications to a large group, this function is used. To start, click on Send a Mass Notification. You'll see different options including Customer Type Device, Type Country, and Message. Let's look at customer type first. There are two types, customers and drivers. If you want to send a message to all customers, you can select Customer. Next, you can specify the type of devices, which could be Android, iOS, or web. If you want to include all users, regardless of their device, select All. There's also an option for specifying a country. If the admin wants to notify users in a specific country, that can be selected, for example, United States of America. Lastly, you can type in your message. As an example, we'll use Happy New Year. Once done, click on the Submit button and all specified customers will receive the message. You can view all the messages sent in the Messages section. It shows each message along with its date and time. You can see details like the ID, sender, customer, device type, country, message, and date. The process is the same for drivers. You click on Customer Type, select Driver, and follow the same steps as before, choosing the device type, country, and typing the message. Click on Submit and the drivers will receive the message. This walkthrough should give you a good understanding of how to use the mass notification function. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this guide was helpful to you.